All right, so let's play a little game. Let's say I had to start from scratch. No clients, no email list, no social following, no website, just me, my laptop, and 2025's digital landscape. What would I do to totally rebuild my business from scratch? In today's video, I'm breaking it down step by step. So if you're starting your business this year, or maybe you're stuck and just simply need a reset, this is exactly how I would do it. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Amy. We talk all about productivity, business, tips and tricks to make your life easier and more productive without feeling stressed out. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm giving out tips and tricks that I wish I knew when I started my business. And if you've been here for a while, thank you for joining me on this journey. Now let's dive in. If I was starting from scratch this year, the first thing I do is get super clear on my niche. Who do I serve? What problem do I solve? The mistake I see so many new business owners make is trying to be everything to everyone. This year, it's all about clarity and positioning. Attention spans are shorter, competition is tougher, and people only pay attention if they know exactly how you can help them. Once I nailed that, I wouldn't overcomplicate the branding. I'd grab a clean domain name, set up a simple website, or even just a landing page, and start building my email list from day one. Social media is powerful, but you don't own it. Your email list is an asset you control. Next, I double down on content creation. This year, content is still the best marketing tool, but the game has changed. Short-form video is non-negotiable. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are where the attention is at. But here's the twist. I wouldn't just post any content. I'd follow this simple formula. Educate. Teach one quick tip that solves a problem. Entertain. Show my personality. Make people want to watch. Engage. Always include a call to action, whether it's commenting, saving, or joining my email list. And here's my secret sauce: repurpose. One video can be split up into a TikTok, a YouTube short, or even a LinkedIn post. That way, I stay consistent without burning out. Another tip: if you have one particular piece of content that you put out within the last year, that the analytics are just popping off on it, go ahead and repurpose it. Change the captions on it, or change something about it, or remake the video, but just a little bit different. Once I have content working and an audience growing, I wouldn't wait 6 months to sell. I'd create a low-ticket offer or service package right away. Something super simple that solves only one problem quickly, like a digital download, a template, a mini course, or even a power hour consulting call. This is if you are a service business. If you are a product business, it may be a little bit different. I do own a service business and a product business, so if you want me to go into depth more on a product-based business, then let me know in the comments below and I can definitely do that. It does two things. Number one, it validates that people will pay me. Number two, it brings in cash flow that I can reinvest into the business. Too many entrepreneurs stay in the build mode forever. This year, speed matters. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. Now, after some money is flowing, I'd invest in systems. Things like email automations, a simple CRM, scheduling tools, and even outsourcing little tasks. I'd focus on building workflows that save time so I can spend more energy on creating and selling. At this point, I'd start building bigger offers like signature services, courses, or retainer packages. The goal is to create reoccurring revenue instead of constantly chasing new clients. The last piece I'd focus on is building relationships. This year, collaborations are everything. I'd connect with other entrepreneurs, pitch myself for podcasts, do joint lives, attend events, and even make sure my name is getting in rooms where opportunities live. I know this can be insanely scary. The first podcast I did, I probably said 1,000 times, but I still did it and I still got it done. So put yourself on camera and get it done. It's not just about what you know. It's also about who you know. That's how you scale faster. Let me give you a real life example of this. So I work a lot in the automotive community, and just going to events every weekend, I meet tons and tons of new people. And generally in the exotic car world, those people tend to have successful businesses. Chit-chatting with them, learning what they do, being genuine. You build connections and you become top of mind next time a business needs something like my services, like digital marketing. So that is my example of how networking has helped me. I have attained multiple new clients, multiple side jobs, multiple new jobs just from being in the room with the right people. If I had to start all over, let's recap. Here is what I would do. Number one, nail my niche. Not necessarily niche down, but nail the niche and run with it. Number two, create content consistently. Number three, sell something simple first. Number four, build systems that save me time. 5, network and collaborate like crazy. That's the playbook. Simple, right? And honestly, if you follow these steps, you can build something amazing without feeling overwhelmed. All right, now it's your turn. If you were starting your business from scratch this year, what would you do? Let us know in the comments below. We're all curious to learn from one another. Drop it in the comments. We all want to hear your game plan, especially me. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button. It is a free way to support my channel. I just do this as a hobby because I genuinely love it. Also, if you could do me one favor and share this with a business friend that could find use of it, I would really appreciate that. Thanks again for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!